Back on Barry's Cutlass. Last time, did I make a video last time? I think I did. We were checking out things in here, and we determined that his master cylinder was bypassing. So we ordered one. We finally got one in stock. That took forever because it's common. And everybody's gonna go, oh, that's a common master cylinder. Well, yes, it is a common master cylinder, but there's multiple valvings and there's multiple types. So yes, common body, common reservoir, but the valving for this car, or most of these V8G bodies, is different from, say, a Riviera or a Caprice or something along those lines. So getting one that's correct, which proved difficult, isn't always the easiest thing. So anyway, this baby's gonna come off. We're gonna undo these two fittings, undo these two nuts, pull it off, throw our new one on there. We're gonna bleed our new one on the car like we always do, and should be good. All right, mounted, bled, good to go.